Namaskar. How can you practice self-love? Hello, dear friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. How can you practice self-love? Well, be kind to yourself. Yeah. Treat yourself the same kindness, compassion, love, respect that you would offer to a friend or loved one. It's so important. Accept yourself as you are. Yeah. Accept yourself for who you truly are. Embrace your strengths and weaknesses, and don't try to be someone you're not. Don't try to be someone you're not. Yeah. Take care of yourself. Make time for activities that you enjoy, such as spending time in nature, dancing, writing, painting, listening to music, exercising, reading. Yeah. Set boundaries. This is so important. This is so important. Set boundaries. Learn how to say no. How to say no to things that don't serve you. Practice self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself. Especially, when you make mistakes. Be gentle with yourself. Focus on your strength. It's so important too. Celebrate your accomplishments and focus on the things you're good at. This one is so important. Surround yourself with positive people, not negative people. Okay? Positive people. Spend time with people who make you feel good about yourself. Yeah. Spend time with people who make you feel good about you. And the most important thing, self-love is a journey. Remember that. Always remember self-love as a journey, not a destination. Okay? And it's important to be patient with yourself and to celebrate your progress along the way. Okay? Love yourself. Always and forever. Dear unique, don't forget there is only one you. Okay? If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Bye.